Part 5. Bisecting Angles. You will find this on page 235 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook y equals mx plus c to success. Angle bisector. In the figure, the ray BZ divides angle ABC into two equal angles. Angle ABZ and ZBC. So these two angles will be exactly the same degrees. The ray is called the angle bisector of angle ABC. This is the ray. An angle bisector can be drawn using a ruler and a compass as shown below. Let's go through example 5. Construct the angle bisector of angle PQR. PQR. Okay, place the sharp point of the compass on the vertex Q, there, in the middle, and draw arcs with the pencil on the two arms. Do not change the width of the compass when moving from one arm to the other. So basically, there and there. So go first to this side and then to this side. Okay, do not use a very small radius, at least 1.5 centimeter. Now, put the sharp point of the compass on each of the arcs and describe two new arcs in the middle of the angle, one arc at a time. So basically, take the needle, put it there, and then make an arc there in the middle. And then remove the needle, put it there, and then make an arc in the middle. Okay. And then join the vertex and point of intersection of the arcs. The line QS is the bisector of angle PQR. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, I want you to do for me, try now 5, number, I'm going to use two angles. So let's use, I'm going to draw more or less, I'm going to read, but you can do number B as well as number C. If the angles is a bit small, just copy it and extend that lines. You can stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. This is try now 5. Okay, now if I have my two angles, let's just find my two angles. Okay, I'm first going to draw, this is acute, this is obtuse. So I'm just going to redraw this due to the fact that I'm just going to put it there because I'm struggling to make this compass too small. So basically, if I redraw, okay, let's first make an obtuse angle. Okay, it's going to be like this, and it's going to be like this. Okay, this is my obtuse angle. Now, let's start. I'm going to bisect this obtuse angle. Now, if I look at this, I'm starting here. I'm just going to make my pencil again. Highlight this again. Okay, just put it here. Put it there. Okay, I'm going to make it again shorter. Okay, and I just move this. Okay, so remember, you are, oh, let's just make it still shorter. Okay, it cannot become shorter. So I make an arc, then move it to the other side and do exactly the same, an arc. Okay, and now I'm moving it. You can stretch it now in between this step and the next step. Okay, so basically I'm putting it now on that point. Let's just see again. Okay, as I said, you can stretch it in between. I'm going to stretch just to be a little bit more accurate because I'm struggling a little bit here to get that point. Okay, so put it exactly on that arc. Okay, and then basically, let's just move it first, and then just make an arc towards the middle. Okay, and then move it to the other side. Don't stretch it. You cannot stretch it between these two steps. Only between the first between, as soon as you mark that, you can stretch. Okay, but not when you're busy making these angles. Okay, and then basically you just take your ruler, and I'm just going to get it in that direction. Okay, I'm moving it here. Okay, and then I'm just taking my pencil, and I'm just going, okay, undo. I'm just going to take exactly there on, okay. It's a bit more difficult because with a ruler it will prevent you from doing it, going over the line. Okay, and there you can see. So basically, this angle will just be as big as that angle. Okay, now you can even go through. Now, if I look at the next one, now this is a reflex angle, and I want you to show, and I'm just going to make it another color. So let's just do the reflex angle. More or less, let's draw it more or less like that one. Okay, I'm just going to clean this one because then it's going to be better. Okay, so if I make the reflex angle, let's do it more or less like that, and then it's just coming down. Okay, just want to make it a little bit longer, and then it's down. Okay, and then I'm basically okay, now let's just get another color, and let's see if I can, let's just highlight it again, make it a little bit shorter. Okay, now this must move here to the middle, okay, and this must just turn. So basically I'm just doing this, and I'm going all the way around, and I'm doing this. Okay, so basically I did the same. Now you can stretch, remember. Okay, I want to bisect this angle. So it doesn't matter where I want to do this one, but I can move it now. Oh, sorry, let's just undo that. Okay, so basically I can mark it here, it's not a problem. So if I want it on this side, I could even mark it on this side. Okay, oh sorry, let's just undo that. So basically, I don't put it in the middle. Don't make the same mistake as I did. So you have to, I'm struggling to move it. Remember, you can stretch it now. So let's stretch it, then it moves better. Okay. And now you can even stretch it still a little bit longer. Doesn't matter, but you, as soon as you make that too, you can stretch. So then make there to the middle, and then move to the other side. And make there to the middle. And then okay, let's just see if I must move it still a little bit. Yes, this is better. Okay, and then basically I'm just taking that point of intersection and I just mark. Okay, so if I want, then this angle, and if I go through, I just want, then basically, let's go through, but it's not necessary. So basically, if I extend this line, then this angle will also be bisect. So this angle will be the same as this angle.